look what we got today. Yellow stripes on a black snake. I now do not know which one it is. I have to check up in our book first. We will put her in the bag now and then confirm what kind of snake it is, if this one is venomous or not. But I think it's a kind of red snake which should not be venomous, so let's see, and I will talk to you when I know what it is. You see this snake, we have been alarmed by the dogs. Come here. Come. So this type of dog in Thailand, they always report snakes. And you see, she's very active with them. Now this snake, she's holding on here on my tool and she's not leaving. So I want to put her in the bag, but she does not. She does not give away the tool. So anyway, I will close the bag and then we check in the book and we will see what it is exactly. So we got it confirmed. So this is a Laotian wolf snake. So the species is wolf snake. It's a non-venomous snake, just growing up to 50 centimeters. And yeah, it's eating the small lizards and this kind of stuff. So because it's a kind of a harmless snake, we will just release her next to our property in the forest, and she can live a happy life, continue as before. Let's open this again and we take another look. So they're right actually that they are quick to bite. So, but my wife, she is very brave and just giving her some lovely touches. No problem. That's very sweet. She is now tangled around this tool like it would be a ball. Very, very nice. The first time that I see this species here, but it's also very difficult to see because it's a very small snake. With other dogs we could never see this animal. So this is our snake finder. Name is Bok, and he is gonna find every snake on our property and bark until we come, and then we can catch it. This would be a triangle shaped body. It could be a dangerous one, which is a crate. Now we don't know what to do with her. She does not let go, so we want to keep her a little bit, maybe put her inside of a box and then release her tomorrow. It's really funny. It's very, she's trusting us now. Can touch her, no problem. They say it's quick to bite, but once they relax and they trust you, no problem. Now you can see very nice colors. We have the forest here right next, and we will let her out here to the banana trees. So, yeah. Put the grass on the young banana tree. Oops. Okay.
Bye bye, good night.
Cool.
So they say up to 50 centimeters, so then this one is adult. So this is truly 50 centimeters long.